Hi boys and girls, hope you're doing good. Okay, so our next lesson is about heat. Heat can change matter. Okay, let us remember what are the three states of matter. So solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so how can solids and liquids change? Let's see. So a liquid can change. It can change into solid or freeze. So liquid can change into solid by freezing. A liquid can freeze if it gets very cold. Water also will freeze into ice, just like this photo. So let's read together this photo. A liquid, which is the water, can change, right? If we pour the liquid and freeze the liquid or the water, what we will have? We will have ice, right? So ice is solid. Okay, so as the water will freeze into ice. Okay, so also this ice can change because the ice is solid. It can change back into a liquid by melting, right? So ice melts. It can change into a liquid. A solid will melt when it is heated. Ice will melt when it gets warm. So it goes back to water. All right? So let's solve together this. What did the liquid change into? So it changed into a solid. All right, please write it down. Okay, here, as we said, that the liquid will melt. The solid will melt when it is heated. Ice will melt when it gets warm. Okay, let's solve the quick check together. Okay, when a liquid, just like the water, what happens? It becomes a solid. By what? What did we do to the liquid? To become solid, we freeze liquid. We freeze liquid. Okay. Number 6, when a solid like ice becomes water, liquid, what happened to the ice? Ice melt. The ice melt. All right? Okay. I want you to look at these photos. All right? So, the first photo, this pond, as you can see here, was full of water. Look at the second photo. So some water here and here and here change into gas. The pond has less water. Why this happened? So heat changes water. So this pond was full of water. Here some water changed into gas. Some water changed into gas. So here is how liquids change into gas. Heat changes water. So heat makes water change into gas. By what? From where do we get the heat? From the sun, right? So heat makes water change into gas. The gas is water vapor. So which water vapor goes where? Goes up in the air. Okay? So water vapor goes up into the air. Again, heat makes water change into gas. From where do we get the heat? From the sun. All right? So this gas is water vapor. Water vapor goes into the air. I'm talking about this photo. So we get the heat from the sun. All right? We get the heat from the sun. That's why this photo had less water, because some water changed into gas. Okay, so as I said, the gas is water vapor. Where does the water go? So it goes up into the air. Okay, let's move. So when the water vapor goes up into the air, what happens? Water vapor cools. Okay, so water vapor cools. The gas changes back into a liquid. Gas changes back into a liquid. It changes back into water. Let's look at this picture. Okay, water vapor cools into drops. On this picture, there's I don't know if you can see. Look at your book, because this picture is not clear. All right, so there's drops of water vapor on the picture. Okay, so this is water vapor. When it cools, that's what happened. Okay, let's solve together the quick check. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Heat can change a liquid into heat. Remember the heat? Heat can change a liquid into a gas. A liquid into a gas. Okay, number 8. Water vapor cools and become what? Becomes liquid. All right, so I hope this video helps you to understand more. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Class Dojo. I love you all.